Hi, welcome to another bookkeeping video. My name is Nasir Ahmed Nofel. I'm a co-founder of Inner Bookkeeping. I'm a professional accountant and a certified bookkeeper. In this video, I will be showing you the process of importing bank statement from CSB to the Xero. The process of importing a bank statement into Xero is similar to other bookkeeping software, cloud software actually, like QuickBook, with some little exceptions. So let's go with the video. So from your client dashboard, first create the chart of account or accounting head for the bank. So in this case, I will be uploading the chase checking account statement. So click manually import a statement. So as you can see, there are lots of options available here. You can also download the CSV template to match your bank statement. So I'm going to select a file which is in CSV format. I have a video regarding the matter of converting uh, PDF bank statement into the CSV file. If you want to see it, you can see it in my channel. So this is the trace checking, and which is in CSV format. So selecting the file, you can see the file will be showing here, and click next. Now this is the tab for matching your bank statement data with the Xero format. So the column heading for CSV file, first column is for the date, and the preview is showing here, and also assigned to the Xero will be the transaction date. The second column is the description, and you can see Xero and my CSV file are showing the same. The next one is for the amount, and also in Xero this will be the transaction amount, and the balance and the other field is not actually relevant to us. There is one exception from QuickBook. The QuickBook allows you to upload bank statement into two column, or in one column for amount, but Xero also is allowing you to upload the bank statement amount in only one column. So if you have the deposit, it will be in the positive figure, or if you have any spent amount or money getting out of your bank account, it will be in the negative amount. And you can see that there are some previews as well. So just to be sure, I'm checking some of the transactions. As you can see, the $32 which is in negative form is in a spend column, and let's identify 1000, and then 1000 is in receipt column. So I'm pretty much sure. Just go through all of the transaction if you feel necessary. I want to see 200 items in one page. The total items is 83. The total number of transaction is 83, and in my case it is 83. So all the transactions are here. Just click comport, complete import, and you can see the bank statement is uploaded and ready to reconcile. So this is how you can actually use the CSV file and upload it in the Xero to reconcile your bank transactions. And if you want any kind of accounting or bookkeeping service, you can go to this website. This is our website, and scroll down and scroll around to see what we are, and what kind of service we are offering, and what people are consist of in our team, and their qualifications as well. So I will put the link in the description box.